Okay, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how we can use the PeriPage printer to print out a slotting list. So can I give you an idea of the size of this thing? It's pretty small, it's relatively cheap, it's available on Amazon. That's my little printer. The scenario I've used this in is where I've got a jump that's already designed. If I zoom in, you can see that I've already assigned what plane slots are in the positions. And I've got a couple of people who I've got predetermined slots. And then I ask my jumpers to step up and take slots they're comfortable with. While they're doing the dirt dive, they're in their positions, we're just about ready to go. I can very quickly go around and allocate people to the slots they've taken up. And this takes literally a couple of minutes as we're standing around. And then I've got my fully slotted list. Hold on, I've missed a couple of slots there. There we go. I've got my fully slotted list, which I can review here, and I can hit print. So I'm going to turn on my printer. And go back, here we go. The app has found it. I tap print. And prints out my list. I can then take this straight to manifest, then know who's on which plane, and we're good to go. Thank you.